Okay, hey YouTube, this is TechMan221 bringing you another unboxing from sw-box.com. It's about the iPhone 4 back cover replacement that you can purchase online from Hong Kong. It took about a week and a half to get here. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Set my iPhone 4 to the side. Let's get unwrapping here. And there's actually a protective film right here. This must be the see-through. This one is the see-through with the Apple logo, which was purchased for $13.60. And I got another one as well. This should be the metal back cover gray for $11.25, which came a total of $24.85 plus shipping and handling. Go ahead and unbox this one. Set this off. This one. Wow, this one's pretty cool. This one is the metal back again with the black Apple logo, the iPhone sign there, and all the documentation there. So again, I got two back covers for a total price of basically, let's see, $25. So again, this one is clear back with the Apple logo, is $13.60, and this one was actually cheaper, $11.25. I will go ahead and install both of these. Here's my iPhone 4. Not a scratch on this puppy. All you need is a screwdriver. And we'll take the first screw out. There's one screw. And there's a second screw. And all you basically do is just push up, that you see there, just slid up. And you just lift it up out of place. So let's go ahead and try the clear first. Now to follow this video, I will take some pictures with my Canon T1i, so you can take a closer look at this. And there's the clear. Screw that on. Take the second screw, screw that piece on. So here's a good look at it. Looks pretty cool to have see all the internal components of an iPhone 4. And there's actually, when you press on the button, power button, you can see a light. You see that? Off, on, you can't see the LCD there. Unfortunately, this video has reached 5 minutes. Keep on a lookout for part 2, where I will install the gray backplate cover onto the iPhone 4. To follow are pictures taken by a Canon T1i. Enjoy.